Hey guys, quick unboxing here of the Nikon Z9 mirrorless full frame camera. I just couldn't wait to get my hands on this, so finally. I'm just gonna open the box and show you guys what comes inside really quick. Okay. So you just have their Nikon warranty and all that. Okay. One in Spanish and one is in English. And then here you have the accessories. Yep. There's actually the charger, which is none. It's way different than my Z6 II. Because this is an upgrade from Z6 II. Okay, so this is actually a charger. Okay. Cable for it. That's a USB Type-C cable. Okay, some attachments here as well. Look for it. Okay, so they got you and they have the strap as well. Which is nice. It's good. And then also this is the battery. Now they really feels a little bit kind of heavy. Then the batteries are used to have on my Z6 II, and this is such a huge upgrade for me. Oh yeah, definitely feels like good quality battery. Okay, now that we've got the accessories done, wait, so just to see the body. That's for body. I know, yeah, got some weights on it. This is actually such a big deal for me because I've never owned camera like this. But because I want to take my photography to the next level, so I wanted something that's very, very reliable and something that's gonna last me a long time. So this is what it looks like. Well, you can see here. So you can actually shoot vertical as well. If you do like sports photography and you shoot a lot, then this is definitely gonna be worth it. Pretty much the same functionalities as my Z6 II. The only difference is the bottom is different, and then the full grip on the bottom as well. And then these buttons too. They really feel so pro. So you can actually open the string like this, and then if you want to shoot vertical, it is actually this here. I think it's this way. Yeah, right there. So you can actually shoot vertical like this too, which is pretty cool. I cannot wait to try this. And I did a lot of research trying to find, like the upgrade for me from the Z6 II. I was gonna go for a Sony, but then this actually checked all the boxes for me, and I already have the lenses that I could use with the FTZ adapter. I have some old lenses that I can use, which is amazing. So I cannot wait to try this. This is gonna be fun. I highly recommend.